blanket. Don't move the blanket.
Okay, I'll try not to. It wasn't me, it was Teddy.
Teddy. Teddy.
Teddy was moving it. Teddy, don't move the blanket.
Mommy, lay down on the carpet.
And then do what?
Go sleep and close eyes.
Okay. Where's my pillow?
Mom!
Oh!
Lay down! I said lay down! Mommy, more. Turn around. Turn around.
Oh, is that better?
Good night, Daddy.
Good night.
Mommy, lay down!
I don't have a pillow.